Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you the famous starter recipe that will definitely pamper your appetite and will leave you licking your fingers. Yes, fish fingers is what I'm talking about. This recipe will be a sure shot hit in your family as it will amaze everyone with its extraordinary taste and texture. Now come, let's get started. For making fish fingers, I've taken large tilapia fish fillets, 400 grams. I have washed the fillets and sliced them into finger-shaped sticks like these. You can use any boneless fish fillets of your choice for this recipe. Now I have taken 3 egg whites. I'm using only egg whites to get those crunchy fingers as egg yolks contain fat which would slightly soften the outer layer. Now beat the egg whites lightly just for about 8 to 10 seconds. Don't overbeat them at all. Remove the excess water from the fish and transfer them into a mixing bowl. Now pour the beaten egg whites over the fish sticks. To this add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of American mustard sauce, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika powder. If you don't have this, you can use the regular chili powder. And to this add lemon juice taken from 1 medium-sized lemon and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix gently. See that the fish sticks don't get broken. Now cover it and marinate in the refrigerator for 1 hour. You don't have to marinate for more than 1 hour. Just 1 hour will do. Now after 1 hour, you can see the fishes have been marinated well. Now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of Maida to this and 2 tablespoons of cornflour followed by 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1/8 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Add all these flours only at the time of frying. Never use them for marination. Now keep aside. These are Panko bread crumbs. These breadcrumbs are very flaky texture. To this add 1/8 teaspoon of smoked paprika powder and 1/8 teaspoon of mixed herbs and pepper powder 1/8 teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/8 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix well. If you do not have panko breadcrumbs, you can use the regular ones. Now take the marinated fish stick with your left hand and dredge it well into the breadcrumbs with your right hand so that the breadcrumbs remain clean till we coat all the sticks. Press gently so that the fish gets coated well with the breadcrumbs on all the sides. Now it's done. Keep it aside and repeat the same process with the rest of the sticks. You can make them in large quantities and freeze them and fry them whenever you want to. You can store them in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Now they are ready to be fried. Now take oil in a kadai for deep frying. And once the oil gets heated, drop the pieces one by one and fry over a medium flame. Never fry over a high flame. Fry them until they turn golden brown in color. Now they have turned golden brown. Remove them from the oil and place them over an absorbent paper so that the excess oil gets absorbed. You can see they look absolutely perfect in color and texture. They were indeed too delicious and juicy inside and crunchy outside. And this is the proof for their crunchy texture. There you go. Serve them piping hot with tartar dip or garlic mayonnaise. I have served with garlic mayonnaise. Friends, take it from me, this recipe will never disappoint you and I'm sure you will love these fish fingers, especially your kids will love these and they will enjoy them in this holiday season. Friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your loved ones. And please press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my new uploads. See you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.